Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson here with today's Tàijíquán Tip. Thank you for joining and subscribing. Thank you for going over to our webpage and getting on our newsletter, somedayfarm.org. And if you can't find that, send me a note and I'll get you on the mailing list, send you the thing. So today's Tàijíquán Tip is to consider that generally in our form practice, we're addressing the cardinal points of the compass with great regularity and kind of our default. In I think every form I've seen, that's the case. But in those forms, we occasionally face the diagonals, right? Our northwest, northeast, southeast, southwest kind of directions. But I think what happens is because the diagonal directions are not as often addressed and not addressed early in the forms, people tend to not really think about them. They think about, I'm facing, in my case, east, and I'm going west, so I'm thinking about east and then switching over to west. And I'm largely unaware of the northeast and northwest that I pass. Maybe I'm aware of the north as I passed it, going from east to west. But today's Tàijíquán tip is to consider the directions that you are not facing before you end up facing them, before you end up drawing energy from them, expressing a jin towards them. Try and consider them earlier in the form, throughout the form, or at least in more places than it's obvious that you consider them. Like when you get to four corners or Fair Lady Works the Shuttles, pretty easy to address the corners, focus on the corners, be aware of the corners. But is that kind of the first time you're aware of the corners? Not so good. So thank you very much and enjoy that.
Thanks for showing your support for today's Tàijíquán tip. Tips really go a long way, and if you can't afford to help financially, comment, subscribe, share, and like, and all that stuff. To be in touch with me, go to my Linktree, Someday Farm. Thank you.